Good morning. Okay, we're gonna restart this timer. Yeah, good. That's fine, actually. Check, check. She was like my whole life, something on my mind, really wasn't her though. Now I'm screaming fuck up out of her. How funny how the tides have fucking turned though. You done did me dirty, sipping on this 40. Fly away like birdie, no longer my shawty. You just gotta leave. End cage. How was the games and masturbation? Well, it wasn't at the same time. Yo. What's up, Daniel? What's up, Luca? Cat counter. I'm never gonna get around to that. What's up, Edward? Yeah, let me share the stream to the Discord so they can jump in. Song name is Mayday. It's unreleased though. Coming out in 2021. If you want to know the artist, he's a good friend of mine, Shay Ponzio. But this is my favorite song by him. But you can't listen to it unless you're on stream here. What's up, Malik? Good morning. Made a little bit of money on a Monday. What's up, Jake? Good morning. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacate for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me. EuroCAD sell. We'll look at some charts in a second here. Stream on Monday as well. Yeah, I've been on fire, man. I got nothing to do these nights. The nights are cold and lonely. The only thing that fixes the pain is trading. Trading makes your problems go away. Streaming makes the problems go away. Hey, Sebastian. Good to see you. Ooh, all my biases working out today. I'm feeling good this week. You have a cat? Don't I have 2 cats? Yeah. They're always here, man. Can you make a video about pivot points? What? Oh, pros and cons. I don't understand what you mean by the pros and cons of pivot points. Hey, just as we're starting up here, guys, 66 of you. I'm sure you guys have been here before, most of you. You know how it goes. Push one button. All you gotta do is push one button per day. Increase your win rate. The more love you give me, the more love I give you. Hit the like button. Because we want this stream to just be, we want crazy amounts of chat in here. The more likes you send, the more people join this video. That's how it works. Trading makes the pain go away. Suffering from success. Alright. I think we're ready here. Are we ready? There I am. Turn off the music here. There I am. There's that beautiful face. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, let's stop looking at me and start looking at some charts.
Smash the like. Hey, thanks, man. What are we trading today? What did I trade today? Okay, we're starting off. We're taking a Euro USD scalp short. So we actually did this on the 1 minute. And as you can see, we actually had the bias that this would be coming up. We've been talking about this for a little while, I believe. We're looking for these highs to all be swept. It's going directly to that level. This one right here. And, oh man, I hate it when the cat stands up. You can see his ears. You see his ears? Oh, no, now you can't. Fucking man, giving himself a bath right in front of the screen. What a doorknob. Okay. So we knew it was going to come up, but it doesn't mean we can't scalp it on the retrace. And unfortunately, just didn't take the long here. Didn't look like something I really wanted to get in on. This really rallied strong here, and that's when I got out of my short because I actually wanted to short this deeper. But I got out of the short on a retrace down here, and it didn't show any sign of reversal around that area. So we just let it go, and then we didn't get into a long. Cat counter 1. Hey, NKG, you're going to do it. You're going to be the cat counter every single time. I'll make you a mod, and you'll just cat count every time. Alright, so the short, very simple here, guys. London Open, we saw obvious manipulation here. When you see something like this, right, it's just dancing around, right? This shit, it's obvious manipulation, right? But as you can see here, you know, we had the Asia range highs being eaten up, and then that drop. All we did, so simple on this one. All we did was wait for the retest of this order block, but we missed it the first time. Look at this. I waited for this guy, and I was like, no way am I going to take that trade, because that is such bad R. Can I select this? That's such bad R. 1.5, not worth my time. So I'd much rather wait for the higher level here. We pinpointed it exactly. I think I front runned it by like 0.1 pip or something. 68. Yeah, we hit it exactly. Or no, it went to 69, didn't it? Okay, 69. No wonder it went to 69. All right, just about 100 of you popping in already. Good stuff. Can we share an image or post a chart? If you're wanting to send a chart, just go with this little camera here and send me the X code after. And then I will look at it on my own free will. If I like you, and if you've hit the like button, then I will look at it. If you haven't hit the like button, I can tell. I know who's done it and who hasn't, and I've been checking it twice, and I know who's been liking or not liking and being nice. All right. So I don't have a whole lot to share with you guys today. Start of the week. Monday's going to be a shorter stream here, but we can kind of just chat, look at some things that we're expecting here. I've posted my 1 Minute Monday, guys. You should also check that out after. That goes over everything that I'm looking for the week, real quick there. So, Hunter, how do you draw your lines perfectly straight? You click the shift button. Here, shift, boop, 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 shift. That's it. Imagine I was just like that smooth at drawing straight lines. Comes with practice. How do you find order blocks? Order blocks are essentially just any key pivot point. It's the block of orders that cause the pivot to change, right? So this is a bullish order block here, right? Because that's the pivot point, right? So notice how it came back to that bullish order block, right? Before rallying. Because that's where a lot of resting orders are going to be, right there. Is the bottom? Yeah, the bottom is my lower time frame. The top is the higher time frame. Because here we don't like switching between time frames. Too much work. Why am I skipping you? I'm not skipping you, man. I just read them as they come up here, I think. No fundamentals here. Yeah, we don't do fundamentals. If you want to look at the news, I barely ever bring it up. But I have it here. What week is it? This week now, isn't it? Yeah, see, I didn't even look at it last week. Because honestly, the way I trade, you can see how the banks are trading. You don't need to even know the news because you can see it happening, right? Mind you, it's good to know the big ones, right? I don't trade FOMC. I don't trade. There you go. FOMC is this week. And I don't trade the NFP. Mind you, I'm never trading at this time anyways. Because that is late in the day for me. I will never be trading that time. The only thing I have to worry about is the NFP. That's the only thing I care about. So I just don't trade the first Friday of the month during the New York Open. I cut my trades at that time. Yeah, the 4th there. I won't be trading. All right. AU longs. We'll look at AU longs. We'll also look at this chart by Christine. Another game. Right. Based off of this, what are you lining this up? 1930 or 03. 1903. I don't see any reason for you to have a level there. I'm not sure what that level is. Maybe it's the head and shoulders here. The head and shoulders top is not too important, just so you know. And what you're creating here is there's no weakness in this market. So you're trying to shorten uptrend. And this is the most common thing I see from you guys, right? This is the most common thing you guys are sending me charts. This is actually really good that you guys send me charts. Because then I can tell you what the majority of you guys are doing wrong. And the majority of you guys are trying to short uptrends after there's no weakness in the market. And even if you think this is a level, wouldn't you want to confirm that it's actually breaking down? But look at what's happening here, right? You're actually seeing bullishness out of that candle right there. It's bouncing off of that level really strong and then just consolidating here. So most likely it's going to break up. I was in a strong uptrend, by the way, but we play another game. Hunter, I can't seem to send you the TradingView chart. Yeah, you can't send links, dude. You can send the X code here. Can't send links because that would be dangerous for my subscribers. You might see a something that you don't want to flare. You know, one of those shock sites, cake farts, lemon party, blue waffle. You know, the good ones, the good websites. Okay. AU, what did you say? AU longs, Edward. Yeah, man, we were looking for AU to be coming up today. Went hand in hand with the euro. I think the market's really being controlled by the dollar right now. Dollar's got the most power, and it's really affecting all of these. So across the board, I'll just say right now, these guys are going down, and these other ones are going up. But I'm waiting for a reversal here quite soon. Right? So if you're talking about a long right now, you might be able to catch a scalp long here on the New York Open. I'm just trying to see what's a good level here. Honestly, I think it's got to come back down here. And let's just draw a 1 hour order block, because 1 hour order blocks are a really strong magnet for the New York Open, right? This is really popular. As the New York Open comes up, it comes back down to the 1 hour order block that caused the initial move. It's very common. Very, very common. And then it rallies off of that. So this is what we're going to look for on today on AU, because we still have a target to reach, right? We're still looking for that target, that level up there. So there's no reason for this to stop. This isn't going to stop. This is going to go up. But we don't want to take a long here, because where's your stop going to be? Probably down here, right? There's no reason to long yet because we don't know where this is going to stop on the retrace. It could literally stop anywhere. It could stop down here. So that means we have to put our stop there, right? But if we wait to see the reaction here, right, then we can be like, okay, we're going to enter with a stop here and we're going to enter there, right? And then that's a really good trade. You know the good ones. Ben Cage always quoting my. It's funny because you type it in like after like a minute after I say it. What do you think about this entry? Hey Danny. All right, well, let's look. Is this a little bit? Oh, baby. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh man, yeah. You been watching some Hunter FX or something? You been watching some Hunter FX? What is this? You guys gotta tell me what pair, euro dollar, eh? Yeah, dude. Danny, that's great. Look at this. You're in that uptrend, breaks back down, really explodes, strong momentum shift. You look for the pullback. This is a bit choppy, so it makes sense why you put it there, because you don't know exactly where it's going to come down to. Let's look at the euro dollar. That's a good time frame to be looking at, the 15, eh? The 15? Yeah, 15 here. Let's look at the 5. So you entered here, right on this retest. That one tested it. Yeah, dude. Look at this. It's staircased up. You can see all these wicks, right? Staircased up. So where's it naturally going to come back to? The last untested, right? And I think you just front ran it a little bit. Perfect. Great trade. Yeah, great trade. Bro, can you please make a video about all events as knowledge? All fundamental analysis? All like news events? No. I will not make videos about things I don't know. Simple as that. I'll tell you guys what I know and what I don't know. I'm honest with that. I know how to friggin' make a ton of money just by looking at candles. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? You could just look at like squares on a chart and then be like, this is probably where people are going to react emotionally. But like this shit, I know nothing about. I don't follow it. I can't make videos on it. Watch that somewhere else. Pay somebody else to do that. That's not me. I can't do that. NZD USD? Yeah, sure, we'll look at that one. I think I'm falling behind here on comments. I'm falling behind. Oh man, you guys are getting busy. NZD USD. I still find it hard drawing the supply and demand. Hey, supply and demand is pretty easy, dude. Just look at an impulse move like this, and then just draw, like very, very simple. You could just draw the move that brings you to the low, right? Right? If you just want to put it like that, the move that brings you to the low before the impulse move. Very simple way to put it. You don't have to be super accurate with this, just so you know, because everyone's drawing them differently. You just need to know that somewhere around here, somewhere around here, there's a lot of people looking to get in. That's all you need to know. Kiwi. Kiwi is very similar, just like everything else. We're still waiting for a higher high. So what I would do on the New York Open here, I'm going to tell you guys right now, and if you're just jumping in, I'm going to tell you guys something, and then you're going to hit that like button, all right? But wait till I tell you. New York Open, what we're going to do is this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. We're going to look for significant lows. Let's look at the pound, because this one's the cleanest, right? Significant lows right here. That could easily be manipulated. This could easily be manipulated on the New York Open and then rally. We're going to look for one of those, rally up, because all of these pairs are being controlled by the dollar right now. Why do I know that? Because they're all moving the same way, right? We can also look at U-Swiss, right? U-Swiss right now is actually eating these lows on the higher time frame. So I'm actually, what is this one? Ugh. Not interested in that. Oh my God. Okay, U-Swiss might do something funky here, but U-Swiss, we're also looking for a possible reversal in the opposite direction. UJ also looking the same way, higher time frame though. Right? UCAD also somewhat, not the same though. So literally all of these trades, these ones I'm looking for bullish action. These ones I'm looking for bearish action. Or sorry, I've got this wrong. I've confused you guys. I've said the wrong thing. These ones, I was just looking at the higher time frame. Higher time frame, I'm thinking of reversal because I'm looking for the reversal on all of these, right? But we still need to hit that. We still need to hit that reversal point. So what we're doing for just today, sorry, I confused you guys. What we're doing for just today is we're looking for the continuation until that reversal point, right? And I don't know if there's, I didn't mark out the reversal point on the pound here, did I? Yeah, I did, I guess. Here's the reversal point, roughly. Roughly. We can also target this one here. Just somewhere around here, right? We'll have to line up. We'll just line up all of these so we have lines all everywhere. So we can see what's actually being hit. That's what we're looking for. The pound, I think, might be the strongest move here because it's got to go really far and it's really set up strongly here. Hunter FX. Hunter can't trade FX. All right, man. Fucking troll, man. Fuck off. You dang dingus. You ding dangus. We getting some juicy signals tonight? I don't think so. I think it's Monday. We already made one profitable trade. On Monday, I'm happy with any amount of money because I generally am break even on Monday on average, and then every other day I am profitable. So Monday I like risking less. I'm not very good at trading Monday because it doesn't have much structure for the week yet. Yeah, but if we could see something popping off here, let's look at the EG. EG, we're still looking for these lows, right? We haven't hit those lows yet, so it's possible we could hit those lows too. That's another thing we're looking for here on the New York Open. And the yen pairs, not anything like crazy that I wanted to jump in on. So, I mean, we could kind of watch them, but there's nothing hitting my eye right now. But that's basically it. So as I told you guys, hey, kitty cat. As I told you guys, I don't have a whole lot here for you, so we'll just kind of chat for a bit. Don't eat the microphone, please. This guy can't trade. Oh, God. What a freaking joker. Is it even... Oh, man. Stop it. Is it even like a question anymore? Like, I know there was some time there where like people were like thinking that I couldn't trade. Like there was a lot of people like saying like I'm just like some like wannabe trader. But is it even a question anymore? Like I'm literally posting my results every day or every week in the Signal group there. And people are trading my trades exactly. And I'm making money every week. So like what's the question here? I wonder if people still think and then like the videos are so fucking good on stream here now. We're explaining them a bit better I think here too. I'm just curious like if anybody like still fucking trolling. Maybe it's just they're all just like trying to make me mad. Cat counter. Oh, yeah, the cat, cat counter. N-Cage, I wasn't even paying attention. He's on my lap. He just sneaks over, and then he gets, he's like really warm and then makes me too hot, and then I throw him away. He's always like trying to cuddle. Like he's my girlfriend or something. What's wrong here, Hunter? Okay, let's look at that chart. Sure. Hunter, do you always take 25% of your trades at 1R, roughly 1R? I take 50% off around 1 to 2R. So I'll look for a nice level, right? So let's say here, let's look at this Euro trade I took this morning here. Here, the scalp here, right? The 1 minute scalp. They always hating. Yeah. Greg Secker, power pivot video. I don't know who that is, but maybe. Yeah, 1 second, dude. I'm gonna look at that. But this trade that we took this morning that I outlined before, I noticed that these were all obviously lows here, so that's where it was gonna target. So that's the first target, right? So when we entered that trade, let's just put it in on here. I believe we had a perfect entry, and our stop was right here. So this was the first target, right? Anywhere else would have been ridiculous to target, right? So we target the first target, like 2.5R, right? Or 2R or something like that. And then we set a next one to be like a runner pretty far, and we shoot for like, you know, between, usually it's between like 3 to 8R for the second one. So here, you know, I should have targeted this. That would have been good. But I went a little bit further. I think I went here and I didn't hit it. So we took it out there, which is fine. Okay, let's look at this. What's wrong here? Euro USD. Is this today? I believe this is today. Right? Today. I mean, if you're trying to short this because of a sweep, it didn't sweep, dude. You want to look at this on the lower time frame too. Let's see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I can see what happened here. Look at this. I knew exactly what was happening. See the strength of this move? I'm literally on the 1 minute time frame, and I can tell you, right? The strength of this move is super strong. So just because it pulled back all this way, it could still bounce off of there, right? So we didn't actually lose any structure. It just happened to close a little bit lower. Right? It just happened to look like there was a wick there, right? But this move was so strong breaking out. So that's why you're wrong. Can I see your messages? Yes. Looked at gold? No. What's gold doing? Still nothing. Still up here. Gold is fucking slow moving, isn't it? Wait till it gets up here. Short it. Short it on a reversal. So simple. I don't understand how there's a 2-pip stop loss. Absolute madness, dude. Actually, dude, this trade here, I actually wanted a tighter stop loss. I know that I can act, because of my entries are so damn close now. I can actually, I'm getting more confident in pulling my stop in, that I know that I don't actually have to have it that far. Ideally, I would have wanted it here. Or maybe that line there. I mean, this one was so fine, though, that it doesn't really matter. But we want to give it a little bit of room, just in case it came up to this one. But I think that as a stop loss would have been, yeah, 2 pip is fine. 2 pip is fine on that one. Because we literally got the exact right entry on this trade, minus like 0.1 pip, I think. Because this top was 69 and my entry was 68. Here, I'll show it so that I can prove to you guys here. I'll just show you the freaking trade. 1 second. Because buddies don't think I can trade over here, right? Okay. Boom. 1868 was that. The next one is the stop loss was at 92. So yeah, right here. Maybe 2 more pips up or 2 more points up. And then take profit was 715 right here. Yeah. That's the exact thing I explained right here. Yeah, there you go. That was the trade. 2.5 hour. And then the other one I took off right here as I cut it as on a retrace. Okay. How many pips can you get per day? No idea. I don't ever look at pips. Pips is a useless term. It doesn't do anything for you. I could tell you a random number and still I could tell you I get 10 pips a day but be negative. All right. Pips don't matter. Which broker do you use? Where can you take trade orders like MetaTrader 4? Yeah, I do. I use MetaTrader 4 for my trades. Here, you can go hunterfx.co/FAQ. That's where that's my brokers. GBP Swiss short. Let's look at it. Time frame here. What do we want to look at? Time frame. Looks like okay. Okay, on that. Why do you want to short this? Oh yeah. Let's see what you're saying here. Okay. Problem is, I'm bullish on the pound dollar here. I'm bullish on this one. So I don't want to short this. Too risky. Unless it gets down here. If it gets down here quick, and then we could get in on the retest of this supply, and then short it down. First profit target would be there. That's the case. Right? This right now, it could easily just rally for the rest of the day. We're coming into the New York Open. Could retest this, rally for the rest of the day. Too risky. Crypto's rocketing. Uh-oh. What do we do? Oh, it's not doing anything. You lied. Crypto's not doing anything right now. GBP we already looked at. We're not going to look at ZAR. I think is it better? So is it better when the swipe slower and really strong pullback? Yeah, so this trade here that you had earlier, dude, you want to really get a strong momentum shift back. Or if you're having this close on the inside, it's a stronger case for what you're looking at in just this photo. But it closed on the outside, so it's rather bullish still. What are the green lines? This one? Monday's range. Sorry, Bitcoin's a little bit weird, I think. It doesn't do it right. This one, okay, here. Yeah, Monday's range. So euro dollar going up as expected. We're gonna go up until we hit that level there that I have right here. We're gonna go up to this today. Pretty much guaranteed. We're gonna go there today. Yeah, Bitcoin's nearly at the all-time high. Yeah, but it's not rallying right now, so I'm not interested. Sitting at 18K for a while. What broker do you recommend? I literally just sent my broker list there. You can check them out. hunterfx.co/FAQ. GBP, JPY. Oh my. It's GPB, JPY. Let's look at it. Bullish on the pound overall. Looks good following confluence. What are these levels? Okay, that level was touched. Okay. Okay. Honestly, it doesn't look very interesting to me. It looks like this could have been rally. Looks like it's going to continue. I think most likely this is our closest resistance. That's where we're going to rally to. That's where we're going to look for a short if we can. How's the 5%ers going? You guys are going to ask this every single day, and I'm basically going to say it's still not doing anything because I'm risking 0.1% per trade. I'm just going to let it run. It's just mirroring my account at 1/10 of what I risk. Just because I want to go slow and pass it. And then once I'm done, then I will just leave it, I guess. Keep doing that. Why not? Leave it at 1/10 and then just slowly collect an extra few grand a month. Why not? Okay. Then I don't have to worry about anything. Just mirror it. It should be perfect. Okay. What is a good time frame to trade gold? Any of them. You guys ask silly questions. Come on. I know you're new, but like time frame doesn't matter. Just trade it. Just trade the charts. You guys like think that there's like some like easy way out, like if you use the best time frame you're gonna know the charts better, or you know, if you trade the right pair or something like this, you're gonna be better at trading. Doesn't matter. Those things are so slight, just so little use knowing those. Learn how to trade. It doesn't matter the time frame. Can I see your messages? Yes. CAD JPY, buy long using a beginner trading strategy, downtrend, then broke the highs. Line now came down to see. Okay. I'm just going to look at this instead of reading your message because that's way too hard to figure out what you're saying. Yeah, when people try to describe like a chart using text, it doesn't work too well. Yeah, all time frames show the same shit. GBP just went up. Do you think it's time to sell now? We'll look at it in a second. This one looks good for is it? Oh wait. I don't trust it. It's coming down for lows again. It's really ranging. I want to wait for something to happen here. I do have a bias that the Canadian dollar is going down, so this is actually going to match my bias, and then we're going to look for that. Right? I think so. Here's a order block, by the way. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. This is what's going to happen, just so you know. It's going to come down here, eat these stop losses, and then rally off that order block. Here, I'll draw it. Oop, there you go. Okay, you said GBP's rallying now? Yeah. Going to new highs. See, this was obviously the hunt then, right? Right there. We looked at it too high. It might come down again. Do you put all your trades in your signal group? All of mine, yeah. All of my personal trades I do. Yep. So let me just pop up the results here. For mine, I'll show you mine. I won't show you the other traders because I only really care about mine. There you go. So the past few weeks, 7.5 hours, 3.7 hour. Took this week off. October we finished just under 8. These are the previous weeks. Loss weeks are really small. Win weeks are much better. Right. This is my worst week in the single group. 2 hour negative. Do you put all your trades in? Yeah, that's just you said it twice. Do you think trading like this is smart? Well, with a name like Reckless, it's got to be dumb, right? Let's look at this one. Page doesn't exist, buddy. All right. Hey, on your 100K account, use your FX show results. Let's see how profitable it is. The 100K account has some extra trades in it. It's not exactly my it's not the exact same as my signals. I take a couple extra things there. I take ideas from other people sometimes if I like the trade. If I think it'll make money. But it's mostly my trades. You didn't put the... Oh, did I not? Go back. Yeah, I did. Still there. Yeah, still there. What about trading momentum? Oh yeah, you sent the wrong one there. Thanks, Reckless. What's an R? R is risk. Risk reward ratio. Ooh. Look at that gradient. Ooh, baby. Holy. It's like a sunshine. There's no trade here, dude. I don't know what you're doing. You didn't put a trade on, so I don't know where your trade is. Sorry. Put the position tool on. What do you use for Monday's range? It's called Monday range. Oh, I'm sure you could have figured that one out. All right, there's 222 of you. So you should probably hit the like button because that's a cool number. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. How much is a signal group? Signal group you can check out on the website, hunterfx.co. I don't want to advertise too much. If you guys are interested in that stuff, you can figure out how to find it. Okay. How much percent the signal group make on average? We're doing like 3 to 5% a week, it seems. Okay. What kind of confirmations do you use to enter a trade when sweeping? I know you mentioned before long wick breaking support resistance candle back and forth. Are there other signs? Yeah. There's tons of signs. You're basically just rewording what is your strategy, right? Into a very long question. But you're saying like, what things do you look for in order to enter a trade? So, you know, I can give you kind of a general answer. I look for where there could be resting orders, right? Where do I think people are trying to get into trades? And then I look for confirmation or reversals or buying power at that level, right? It's a very general answer. But this is essentially, if you can figure out how to find those things on your own, you're going to be incredibly successful, right? Rather than me giving it to you, right, so easily. But I'm basically telling you what you need to know. That's all you need to know, really. Personally, I use where liquidity is. That's a big one. And then I look for, so I keep an eye on where I think things are going to change. And then if they do change, they start to change there, then I jump in. And then I target areas where I think they could change again. But I just get out instead of like waiting. I just get out because sometimes it, I just want to take my profit and run, right? My website is down. HunterFX.co? I don't think so. It's not down. No. The website's not down. What about Warrior trading momentum on options? Warrior trading is garbage, man. He doesn't teach you anything. And he doesn't trade Forex. So it's not useful for you. It's completely different. He trades stocks, which momentum is actually really powerful in stocks because you're trading with retail traders and you're just following that hype, right? Stock's much more a hype market, similar to crypto, right? Forex is very largely structure based. Let's look at this chart right here. Thanks for the honest answer. Hey, no worries, dude. Keep grinding, perfect your strat. Yeah, dude. Your website available in Canada? Yes, dude. I am Canadian. Why would I keep it down for people who are not in my own country? Look at this one. Oh yeah, this looks good. It's a fair idea. Yeah, fair idea. See no reason why this couldn't happen. So yeah, I'd keep an eye. If it starts to happen, enter a trade. Make sure you don't get scared. Don't get too scared. Hunter 404 error. Oh, try to just go to the website. You probably are typing in like a website that's. Wait, are you? Oh, you know what you've done? You're clicking the website in the description, right? This is what you're doing. You're searching. You're in the description. It's doing this. So get rid of that, right? That friggin' snowflake thing. I gotta get rid of it. It's in the streams for some reason. Friggin' snowflake in there. Just type it in. Type in the website, dude. HunterFX.co. Like, look. So when you're clicking the link, it's got this little snowflake for some reason. Just get rid of that. You trade smart money? Smart money is just people who know how to make money. It's not a trading style. Smart money is not a trading style. If Forex is less volatile. Yeah, I think Forex is much more calm to trade. You have much more time to trade it too. Stocks, like, you only have like a couple hours a day to trade it because you trade the New York Stock Exchange essentially. What time frame do you look for liquidity? Danny, I don't know if you're just fucking trolling me because I literally just said time frame doesn't matter like 15 minutes ago. Hey guys, if I provide any value, just hit that like button. And if you want to watch more, then you can hit the stream and the bell notification so you can jump in on the next stream because we do this every day. And I show you the trades I'm taking. I show you what I'm expecting to take going into the New York Open. Mind you, I'm doing much better on the London Open lately. Much better. New York Open, I'm making a bit of money, but London Open, I've just been, every single trade is right, it seems like. So EU coming back down. All right. Yeah, guys, I don't think we have anything else really to look at here. We're gonna, as I said, we're gonna keep going until we hit these levels. And then we're gonna look for reversals, right? So this is all I want to. I either want to get a long here, down here, or wait till we get up there and then get a short. Have I ever traded stocks? No. I own some weed stocks. That's it. That's it. And Beyond Meat, I think. That's it. But like $500 worth. Like nothing, basically. I just basically signed up. I was like, here, $500, put them in. GBP going down. Man, you panicking. You panicking. It's not doing nothing. It's probably going to bounce off this and then continue up. But it's not a trade yet. There's no trade set up. Sorry, you listen under working hours. No problem, dude. You explain the difference between sweep and just movement above and below. You mainly want to be looking for a momentum shift, right? So simply, like, we're looking at the 1 minute here. You could say that these lows, like, here's the first. This is what I call a sweep. That's a clean sweep, right? Where it's one level, or it's one candle. A dirty sweep would be, ooh, dirty sweeping, bad boy. A dirty sweep would be, like this. Oops, wait, yeah, that's right. Like this is a dirty sweep where it's a bunch of candles below the lows, right? It's dirty, it's really choppy. But the point is you're getting a momentum shift, right? So this is really hard for most people to spot. So that's why I say recommend for beginners, just look for clean sweeps like that. Right? This is where I excel usually. And I'm starting to get like a good pattern where I can tell when it's going to happen. So I'm actually getting entries back down here instead of waiting for the momentum. Because I'm starting to see how the markets are changing behind the level. And it's more of an intuition type thing that's very hard to explain in just simple terms, right? So this is why I watch the 1 minute, so I can see the structure, right? But you can start to get a feel for it, and I can kind of explain it, but it takes a lot of work for me to explain. So for beginners, just do that. You guys don't need the super advanced stuff. That's like master level stuff that you guys don't need to know. You can become profitable without knowing, you know, the top tier stuff. I dirty sweep too. Put on the daily candles. There you go. Good. All right. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I have a question for you. Deposit or withdraw from Hugo Way. Do you need to have Instacoin or you can use Coinbase? Not completely sure. I've been withdrawing through, I don't remember. I've been withdrawing just to a wallet of mine. But I don't remember deposit. But you can just withdraw to a wallet. So you could use Coinbase. Okay. Noob question, what is liquidity? You're gonna have to stick around for me to answer that, dude. Hit the subscribe button. I'll explain it slowly over time. I use Coinbase for Hugo. There you go. Gabriel answered your question. Smart money concepts. Wyckoff is not a smart money concept. Wyckoff is a retail trader concept. Smart money doesn't trade anything you've heard of. Right? Except for their own stuff. Smart money is using proper strategy. They're not going off of like some gimmick that everybody knows what it is. Okay. Have I tried automated strategies? No, that's bullshit. Don't leave. What do you use Monday's range for? Ooh, that's I've explained it a couple times on stream. I will not be making a video of it. And it is in, I use Monday's range for something specifically, actually. It's in my course. But I'm not going to explain it right now. Maybe in the future I will explain it again. I've explained it a couple times through stream when I'm feeling like it. But I think it is time to go. Good Monday session here, guys. I've already explained. I'll do it again because there's about 200 of you sitting in here. And then if you guys appreciate it, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe before you go. What we're looking for here on the lower time frame, we're looking for the XXX USD pairs to hit levels of highs. We're looking for the manipulation at those highs and then a reversal. Sorry, I mean, we're looking for continuation to those highs. So we're looking for some sort of pullback here and then continuation so we can get into a long on the New York Open so we can target these highs. On the higher time frame, we are looking for that reversal. We're also looking for a reversal on EG right here on these lows, right? If we can get a nice one, then we will get along there. Giveaway, let's go. I don't have any good ideas on how to do a giveaway right now. Maybe tomorrow. I'll think about tomorrow. It'll be some sort of memory thing. Those are what I like. It'd be some sort of memory thing. Who's paying attention? And that's where I will give the giveaways to. Maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. We'll see. I don't have any good idea right now. Okay. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. Why can't I stay till the New York Open? New York Open's in 10 minutes, dude. You know how difficult it is to just talk for an hour and like give out this juice every damn day? I can't do it for that long. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the analysis. Hey, thanks, Nick. I keep thinking it's Nick Cage. N Cage. It might be Nick. All these thanks. Appreciate it, guys. Again, the name of the song is this one's called Meditate, but it's unreleased still. If you want to look up the guy, here's his Instagram. J.Ponzio. That's his Instagram. He'll send me some hookers when you make it. Funny, dude. Really like how you explain everything. You're welcome, dude. I get that a lot. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. Best of luck trading. I gotta catch up with my heroes, these the waves that I've chased. You see me on the other side, shining off the things I like, kind of shit the ladies like, living on the other side. You see me on the other side, shining off the Ponzio. I typed it in for you, dude. Living on the other side. Close to the blues, I got some pain I amuse. Tap into my inner conscious notches from these train starts. Lies so irrelevant, bank to feel excellent. Yeah, I feel excellent. I say these days got reason. It's great, a new season. Puff, puff, I alleviate stress beneath demons. I tested, I schemed it, progressed for to see it. So shouts to regime, I say shouts to the beams. I move quick, move with speed. I move bricks, move with ease. Can I fuck with a dream? I got to run with precision, got a difficult living. But focus up on the vision, I focus up on the rhythm and breathe. Focus up on decisions, I focus up with ambition. I focus up on my villains and leave.